got up right in the morning, got to a location, we located this bull, and got within 300 yards of the elk. So when we got there, my brother started filming the whole way until we got to about 300 yards of the bull. He thought he was recording, and so he actually took his finger and pushed the stop button instead of the record. And so the bull came about 25 yards, and I took the shot, and we were all excited about it. We thought it was be a good footage and celebrate it. But turns out he pushed stop instead.
First day, big bull, sick point. Yeah, I don't think pump you up, but it's okay, sick point. Wait. Yeah, I got him film. Shit. See him?
Yeah, I'm not sure if he's dead though. I think he's dead. He had you diệt trả những thịt bự nè. Mình chụp qua này ạ. Cái chuyện này to thôi.
We saw him right there. It was right there. He came at this. Just push it down here.
You shot it here?
Yeah. He came right here and then shot and went down that way.
Hi guys, opening day of 2016. Last night we heard the bull bugling. This morning we had a pretty good confidence that the bull was gonna come. So we hiked the mountain all the way up here, and we came up within about 200 yards and bugled the bull in. He's on this ridge here. He came right through here, shot him about 25 yards. He's gonna go to the college here, and I don't know how far he went, but
I did it again. I'm sorry.
he caught, and the bull ran about maybe 100 yards, and it was moaning over there. So
You can see it laid down, so
it's only been like 5 minutes.
then he crashed.
He crashed over there, so we know he's down. That was where we can talk. But come on, let's go check out the bull.
We had to help with today. This is who?
I'm the good luck charm.
Wanted to experience elk hunting. Good first day. You right there, only? Yeah. My cousin bring it up, he still came down, huh?
He went up. But he went back up with it. a warm trail. Yeah. It might be tired.
Hard. Yeah. I'm talking about, right?
5 point.
Try bow, guys. Try kinetic. First day. Whew. Wow, look at that. Too good. It's not the biggest bull, but it's pretty.
Hopefully we have good footage.
I think we got good footage. Where I was is pretty opening, but man, it's a nice bull. It is probably borderline. I don't know.
Yeah,
Maybe.
Borderline.
But it's okay. It's not about the trophies here. It's always been one of those days where you want to kill an elk on the first day, opening day. Maybe it happened. He's almost done with his velvet here. All right.
Yeah, 5x6.
Huh?
5x6.
5 or 6.
Up to 6.
Yeah.
6 by 6.
This side is
Oh,
only
no
5.
brown time.
Yeah, we got one mountain.
One brown time is gone. It's okay. Same as last year too. All right. Still a nice bow. It's not a Pope Young, but still a good bow. I'm still proud of it. One license down, one more to go.
Good shot.
Horn.
Still wrecking too.
Yeah,
Down velvet a little bit. Leave on there. Alright guys. Opening day today. 2016. Good trophies, baby. Heard the good trophies call. It worked out. That is really helpful. You should get one too. This is what the result looks like right here. This is Crew's first time here, so he gets the experience packing elk and the whole experience.
Awesome experience. Awesome experience.
See how easy it is to get the bow in.
Can be easy. Sometimes it's pretty
Sometimes
hard.
it can be easy, but this is a nice bow for the opening day. Can't pass it up. Plus, it's only like half mile to the truck, so uphill. It is what it is. 5x6.
He's missing a G2.
Yeah, it's just a G2 right here.
I don't know why.
It's okay. That's what I thought was. It's okay. It is.
That's pretty nice though.
Yeah.
Nice bow. Nice looking bow.
Symmetrical, almost. Can pass it up. So here we go, guys. 2016 is over for me from Montana. I'm heading to Idaho in a couple weeks there. Get something.
No, every time we take people out, they always experience out. It's just a matter of we don't want to shoot it.
Yeah.
Not big enough. We don't want to shoot it. Then
There you go.
the time ran out when they come there.
Yeah.
So we got this new location here. We located this bull early in the morning. We got everything ready. Walked this old road to where the bull was. As we got within like calling distance and like close up, and everything around here was pretty bushy, so we couldn't go above the road or below the road. And so the best option was us to stay on the old road and just hopefully we can call the bull and get a shot of the open spot on the road. So my brother went down about 50 yards below the road in the thick bushes, and brother started filming me from behind. The bull came in about 10 yards, but for some reason he got suspicious by the edge and he didn't want to come down no more. So as the bull turned and trying to run away, I took the shot and deflected off a branch, as you can see here.
What? Got it. Huh? See? See the bugle cousin right there. Yeah, but he should bugle. Plus, you and me walk up to his house. You don't hate him, man.
He was still bugling, but we just decided to just leave him be and focus on another bull. And so about a couple hours later, we located another bull, and as you can see in the video here, I'm explaining everything here to you guys about the kill. We didn't have a collar back at the time, so my brother had harvested the bull, and he packed his bowl and went home because the meat was getting too hot, and we wanted to make sure that we could save the meat. So he took off, and the older brother and I knew we went about another new location, and just located bull right off the back. We parked the truck, and so we just went right up to the elk right away. About 30 minutes later, we harvested another bull. But as you can see in the video here, for some reason the audio was disabled, so we didn't get any audio out of it. But I'm gonna narrate it for you guys a little bit here. The bull came in about 5 yards, kind of looked at me for about pretty long, about a minute or so. So I had a bull full draw 5 yards. I didn't want to take the frontal shot. I mean, it's pretty wide open. There's no branches to deflect it, but I had never shot it before at frontal, so I wanted to wait until he turned his body. The bull didn't suspect that I was there, so he finally turned to rub a tree, as you can see here. And when he did turn to rub a tree real fast, I released the arrow, so you know what hit him. The bull ran about 20 yards and just collapsed, and it was over.